What is up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some TDS, and I'm going to be showing you how to do beginner bashing. You start off by putting 2 shotguns. Level 0. Put one of them in furthest. I haven't mastered it yet, so I love this by mint. So yeah. Just follow directly what I do. Then you get 6 level 1 traps. Sorry, I'm just really off my mind. You level these up. So, we're really shredding stuff now. It gives you a ton of money. So, yeah. Okay, even though we can't see the hidden, we still have the traps, still hit the hiddens, which are good. You need to get one of them to watch your step, so then you can unlock landmines. We're shredding, as you just saw. Then you can get all of them to watch your step if you want. You don't have to. You start selling the towers around now. Or a scout. Doesn't matter. Did a ton of damage. There we go. So now we're on wave 15. And it gives us enough money and enough XP. See? 322. That's really good. And it only took 4 minutes and 22 seconds. If this helped, please like and subscribe. It helps me and says to other people, hey, this video isn't so bad. Thank you and see you later.